will showcase the main product of the Lean scale on two examples of relational database. On the right is a relational schema of the dataset Favorita, and on the left is the code in Lean scale language that supports the evaluation of the machine learning algorithms over the structured data, while below is the output of such execution. Let us first evaluate the queries, and while the queries are being evaluated, I will explain the commands. The import command creates a database with a relational schema and data paths specified in the JSON file database spec favorita 20conf. This dataset contains 6 tables used for forecasting users' demands and sales. The eval join command evaluates the join of relations oil, transactions, stores, sales, holidays, and items. Where certain features are skipped by specifying tilde, the name of the feature between the brackets of the corresponding table. For example, state, cluster, or promotion, and others. The leanreg function computes the parameter vector in the linear regression of the one hot encoded join result either by specifying the non-optimized parameter, which uses the state-of-the-art method from the Intel MK library, or by specifying optimized parameter, which uses the method based on my papers. Save saves the matrix vnonopt to the file vnonopt favorita.csv. We repeat the similar process for the optimized version and save the result in vopt favorita.csv. For the sake of correctness, we save the difference between these two vectors to a vector diff and then to the file difffavorita.csv. Below, you have the output that tells you the runtime of each statement and additional information. We can see that the non-optimized version takes almost 12 seconds, while the optimized takes 2.5 seconds. And the non-optimized excludes join in this time. Now, let us see diff favorita. We can see the entries for both optimized and non-optimized methods differ negligibly. Now, let us do the same for the retailer dataset. This dataset contains 5 tables used for forecasting users' demands and sale. I will skip the evaluation part and see the final result. Here, we see that our system outperforms the state-of-the-art competitors almost 3 times. Similarly, we see that the two parameter vectors differ element-wise negligibly. Thank you for attention.